Welcome to the Fremont Group. My name is Dirk Dieters. I'm the Executive Director of the Fremont Group, and I've been working with small business owners for the past 20 years. The Fremont Group is a nonprofit organization started back in 2000. We've worked with thousands of small business owners. Our core business started in management consulting. We've helped thousands of businesses achieve their goals. Our work generally fell into three different categories: increasing profit, in maintaining and increasing positive cash flow, and creating an effective quality of life, an acceptable quality of life for the owners. We do this through the implementation of systems, procedures, and controls, adding our expertise and a set of objective third-party eyes to oversee the system, and in more than anything, creating focus. Focus is our main product. Business owners are generally good. They achieve their goals if they have an effective plan and the third party that helps them focus constantly on moving forward towards their objectives. And that's what we have done for years. For the first 15 years, we were often frustrated by clients' poor internal accounting. They lacked the expertise that could grow with them as they grew, and so their growth was stifled. Or worse yet, they grew without the effective financial information that they needed and were unable to make strong financial decisions. However, in the past 5 years, technology has changed. It's created the ability to outsource accounting and get the information that you need and save you thousands and thousands of dollars in the process. It eliminates the fear of turnover, the problems of training, the problems of vacations, and all the other issues that can arise from having an employee sitting there all day long. Now, given COVID, most people take their accounting home with them anyway and work from home. And so our system dovetails in with that very effectively. We can provide for you effective accounting and save you thousands of dollars. Let's talk about that. First of all, congratulations. You're a small business owner who's still in business, and that puts you well ahead of the curve. You had a dream, and you built this business. It may very well have required struggling, but you were willing to do whatever it took to become successful. Whether it meant working all hours, whether it meant missing paychecks, it didn't matter. You were willing to do it, and you have put in the effort that has allowed you to be successful. But you may never have really been an accountant. You had to trust people. Some of these people actually knew what they were doing. Some of them did not. You also ran into vacations, illness, and turnover where you'd have gaps and problems in your accounting. And you've never really had the information from your accounting that you need to make strong decisions based upon numbers. You probably built your business upon gut feel, and your gut feel was very good. But it doesn't allow you to delegate. It doesn't allow you to get away from the business. It doesn't allow you to have the quality of life you want. And small mistakes as you grow, a 2% mistake when you start doing millions of dollars of business can be a huge amount of money. So you are growing, but your internal accounting has not kept up with the growth of your company. You're frustrated. You don't get timely, accurate, and usable information. And it's just plain hard enough to run a business, much less without that information. The business environment is constantly changing, and it's changing fast. And your business is at risk if you don't have strong financial controls. So what can you do about it? Where do you turn? The Fremont Group is a nonprofit organization. We serve small business community for over 20 years. Our accounting department has been established in the past 5 years, and it works in conjunction with our success partners. Our success partners customize your accounting and to give you the information that you need. There's no cookie cutter. It's what are the key variables that need to be indicated and constantly focused upon, and how are we going to get that information to you in a timely, usable, and inexpensive manner. Typically, our services are provided at less than half the price of what it would take to hire an employee who would probably be working from home now anyway. So you know where you can turn, but why should you turn? Why should you want to get better financial information? Well, the question is, do you really want to risk losing financial control of your company? The majority of business failures are a result of a loss of financial control. This can be caused by inconsistent or inaccurate accounting. If you don't have a flexible percentage-based budget that you are using to establish the accountability and incentive of key employees, you're behind the curve. If you aren't using that budget in your pricing strategy, you will be losing to your competition. If you don't have at least a 6-week cash flow forecast provided to you each week, you can't make spending decisions. Your budget tells you what you can afford. Your cash flow tells you when you can afford it. Are you getting this information from your current internal accounting? Very few companies do. That's why we established our accounting department 5 years ago in the Fremont Group. Now we work with many businesses, and there are testimonials on our website which will that you can follow, and you can get more information also from our website. But basically, we take the two things that you need, and that is a success partner to hold you by the hand, create systems and procedures and controls, focus you on those, and then make sure your accounting is done right and provides you the customized information that you have to be successful and not lose financial control. So how would it work? Why us? We assign 2 to 3 experienced people to your account. You are always covered. There are never vacations, there are never illnesses, there is never turnover, because there is always duplication of effort and more than one person that covers your account. Each week, we have a financial meeting scheduled between yourself and your success partner to review the results and review what's coming from your accounting, what you should be looking for, what makes a difference, where you're going, how it ties into your goals, all the monitors of all of your KPIs. Every week we have a Zoom meeting to go through those things. We communicate constantly. Communications are our forte. You'll get a daily email that summarizes the accounting work that was completed, and any issues that or questions that might arise can be immediately addressed, and you always have 2 to 3 people that you can contact if you want more information or there's some kind of an issue should arise. In addition, we can handle payroll and other taxes so that you can concentrate on running your business. You don't need to concentrate on being an accountant. You need to get the information that you need in a timely, accurate, and usable format. That's what we provide. And then what everyone wants to know, what is the investment that's required? Our accounting fees can be as low as $500 a month. That, of course, is for smaller companies. We have a couple companies that do less than $500,000 in sales and don't have a huge number of transactions that fall into this category. Or it can be upwards of $2,500 a month and possibly slightly more, depending on if there's a very involved tax situation. But we customize each one. We talk with you, figure out what needs to be done, and then give you our bid and let you know what would be done for it and what it would cost. To get us a customized quote, go to our website at www.tfginfo.org and set up an accounting consultation at the bottom of the home page. Think what it would cost to hire a person, pay their unemployment, pay their insurances, pay their benefits, pay their salaries, and not even know if they're going to be able to really do the job or on how long they're going to stay. Outsourcing is the wave of the future. They will probably want to do it from home anyway. We will take care of you. If you just go to our website, you can get a bid, and we'll talk about it, and we'll show you what can be done to help you use your accounting to achieve your success instead of hold you back.